Hello guys, I am Shahzad Ahmed and welcome in lecture number 7. Today we are going to perform our last operation, which is the delete operations. So you can easily understand how can you delete a particular record in the Codeigniter 4. Make sure this is the third series of Codeigniter 4 and we have discussed in the previous lectures that how can you update your record. Okay, now as you can see, this is the main controller and we have performed the edit operations. So what happens, as you can see, refresh the page, these values are changing when you added a particular record. Okay, now how can you delete this record? So go to your main controller. So this is your main controller. Make sure this is students. And you are fetching all the records from the database here, and you are sending the data to your views, students. So this is your student, and now add your site URL. I am saying students delete and add your ID here, delete a particular record. Now go to the page, refresh the page, click on this. It's saying 404 not found because you have not created the delete method in the students controller. So now go to the controller. So this is the delete method, and now you are receiving the user ID or student ID here like this, and you have to use this session to redirect. You have to check either this ID is available in your database. So copy the entire code from your edit student statement to reduce the time, paste here. Don't worry, I'm going to explain each and everything why we are using this service, session service, because we are going to use the flash data. We are using the flash data here, so that's why we use this one. Okay, so now you can see you are receiving the user ID. So you are checking the user ID, either it's available or not. Otherwise it will redirect with this message to this URL. Okay, now you are checking the record in the database. So as you can see, this is the instance of, you are creating the instance of your model, and you are checking the data where SID equals to this find all. Okay, if you are saying that if the data is available, then do this, otherwise redirect to this URL with this message, the student is not exist. Now you have to perform the delete operations if you match the ID which is coming from your HTML to your controller. Now I'm saying you have your model. So this is your model, and now I'm saying delete. Okay, you can also do this to specify which ID you want to delete. The ID is coming from the database. We give you the object. So I'm saying if do this, otherwise do this. You have successfully deleted. Or you cannot delete the user right now. You cannot delete the student right now. So it's totally dependent on you. This is the first method. So now go to the page, fetch the page. So you have your 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 records. Delete the 13th record. Delete. So you can see you have successfully deleted. You have deleted the record. verify by going to your database. As you can see, you have just deleted. Okay, you can delete this one, you can also delete this one, you can also delete this one. Okay, so you have successfully created your delete system. And another way to delete your record by using your query builder. Let's suppose you are not using this one. You are saying that std and you are using the where clause. It takes two parameters, and now you use the delete method. I'm saying sid equals to this one, and now save the record in the variable. Go to the page, refresh the page, click on the delete button. Now you can see you have successfully deleted. So you have many ways to delete your record. You can also delete the record as a safe delete, so it's fine. In the next lecture we are going to add the Bootstrap 4 in our application. So we have created this one because this is very odd data you are showing on your tables. Okay, so thank you for watching.